This video shows you how to replace a BRK 770MRL or 770MBX mains-powered ionization smoke alarm with a BRK Easichange replacement alarm, BRK EOL. Before removing the alarm, switch off the power supply by flicking the relevant fuse off. Remove the head of the alarm by inserting a screwdriver into the two locking grips on the side of the alarm and flexing them gently away from the alarm, while gently pulling the alarm off its base. Some residual electrical charge in the head can lead to a slight sound, which can be stopped by pressing the hush or test button on the front of the alarm. To fit the new BRK EOL Easichange smoke alarm head, align the arrow on the side of the base with the arrow on the head and gently push the alarm into the clips. Once the alarm head is fitted, switch the power back on. The green light will come on to indicate that the power supply has returned. To check that the alarm is working correctly, press and hold the test button until the alarm sounds. Fill in the installation sticker and fit it to the fuse box. This makes checking the renewal date of the alarm much easier, rather than having to remove the alarm head. To ensure that you are testing your alarms on a regular basis, sign up to our free reminder service. Just go to this web address and complete the very simple registration process. We will then send you regular reminders to help you to remember to test your smoke alarms. To order a replacement alarm or to ask further questions, please ring SafeLinks or visit our website.